Hello, I'm Henry Myers, sales instructor here at Huddly, and we are at ISE 2025. In one of the spaces on the stand, we've got a world exclusive, the first showing of the Shure IntelliMix Teams rooms. So this is a collaboration between Huddly, a world-leading AI camera brand, and Shure, a world-leading audio brand that's been going for 100 years. So the space, we have the MX902 from Shure on the ceiling, and then we have the wonderful Huddly crew showing a large meeting room setup. This is also a world's first in showing camera control on the Teams room panel. So you can flick between modes on the Huddly crew camera, between speaker, which highlights the speaker, and collaboration mode, which is a more movie production of the meeting room. So the other thing we've got on show today is the cameras. If you have to have them too high, they'll correct the tilt and keystone the image so you can look your best in every shot, regardless of where the cameras are positioned in the room, which is very unique. And if you want to learn more, please find us at huddly.com.